Hello everyone. Today let's discuss something which is very obvious, but as we know, the obvious things are something that we miss a lot. So today let's see how to take the medications correctly, especially if you're on multiple medications. See, you have to first make sure that you know why you are taking those medications. Because if you know the reason behind taking the medication, then you'll definitely not forget to take your medications. If you have a doubt, please comment. We'll help you with your medicines. Make sure any doctor that you visit, because of course we have a habit of visiting multiple doctors, please let the doctors know what all medications you are on, because the medications amplify each other and negate the effects of each other. Let the doctor know of issues like pregnancy, allergies, or lactation. Always know the generic as well as the brand name of your medicines. Learn how the medicines look like. Actually, whenever you visit a chemist or a pharmacy store and you get the medication which are not looking like the previous one, please reconfirm once. Read the labels of the medication if you are taking over-the-counter ones, because sometimes the medicines are combination of salts and you are actually duplicating the combinations. Don't share your medicines with anyone. Let everyone have their own medications and you don't take the medication until and unless prescribed. Store your medication away from extremes of temperature, heat, extra moisture, excessive cold until and unless it is specified. Because if you're not storing your medication properly, it might expire soon. Examine whether the medication has to be taken with food or not to be taken with the food. You have a patient information sheet. For example, some medicines should be taken 1 hour before your breakfast or 3 hours after your lunch. So be specific. We have medicines that interact with each other, like iron and calcium should not be taken together. They should have a 2-hour gap. Iron and vitamin C, they should be taken together because it increases the absorption. Always use reliable measuring devices for liquid medication. Just don't gulp them down your throat. Store your medication according to temperatures that are written on your medicines. Take medicines at the same time of the day. Don't skip. Don't alter the doses as you wish to. Always create a routine of taking your medication with plain water until and unless it has been specified. You can use your daily or weekly pill organizers for the medicines. Use your smartphone's digital watches for your reminder. Please don't give the excuse that I forgot to take my medication because of my busy schedule, because your medicines are very important for your health. Turn on the lights whenever you are taking your medication so that you can see your medication properly and take the correct dose, and that makes you alert too. Don't crush, split, or chew your medicines until and unless it is specified. Complete the full course of antibiotics if you have started on. Maybe you have started feeling well, but then too you have to complete the full dose. Please remember, if you have been taking your medication when you were 40, the dose might change when you turn 50 or 60. Always be vigilant. Visit your doctor if you have any side effect of any sort. Visit your physician, your medical practitioner, and ask as many queries as you want to. Please remember one thing, medicines are meant to make us healthy only if they are taken correctly. Till then, please check your medicine boxes, and if any doubt, we'll be very happy to help. Till then, let's keep inspiring each other and healing each other. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and please subscribe my channel for more such useful videos. Good day.